Hi and welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we'll be going over two Britax booster seats, the Highpoint and the Grow With You Clicktight Plus. Let's start by going over some of the similarities. Both boosters have an adjustable headrest plus 3 layers of side impact protection on the sides of the shell. They both have dual armrests with cup holders on each side. The Grow With You Clicktight Plus has extra compartments for snacks and toys, while the Highpoint's cup holders are removable and dishwasher safe. They each have an easy shoulder and lap belt path marked in red. The Highpoint has the added benefit of a belt positioning clip in booster mode. Now let's go over some of the main differences. The Britax Grow With You Clicktight Plus has a rear tether for extra stability in installation, plus a small adjustable recline. It also has more flexibility for your child's size. It comes with the built-in harness, which can be used for children between 25 and 65 pounds and 34 to 49 inches tall. In harness mode, the super convenient Clicktight door can be used for installation with either the vehicle's seatbelt or the lower anchor connectors. The Highpoint is a booster seat, so it does not come with a harness. That being said, once the Grow With You Clicktight Plus is converted into booster mode by removing or storing the harness, these seats have the same height and weight limits. To prevent either seat from becoming a projectile while you're in motion without your child in the car, they each have soft lower anchor tethers. The Highpoint's lower anchors are retracted from the back instead of being stored inside a Clicktight door. One added benefit of the Highpoint is that once your child grows a little more, you can remove the backrest for no back mode. Overall, both of these Britax seats are great for boosters. The Grow With You has the convenience of going from harness to booster, whereas the Highpoint, you have that convenience of being able to take the backrest off and then having a no back booster. So it really depends on what you're looking for. Thanks for watching. To shop these products or any of our other products, please visit us at babycubby.com, where all orders over $25 ship for free. For tips on how to install the Highpoint booster, please click this link over here. And then to learn more about how to install the Grow With You booster, click on this link over here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll see you next time.